Donald Trump's latest decision to impose a massive 50% tariff on Indian goods is not just misguided, it's a move that could seriously damage America's own long-term interests. He believes this will force India to bend, but in reality, this is going to have the opposite effect. India has a long history of standing with countries in their hardest times, whether it is through aid, trade deals, or diplomatic support. That track record has earned us trust and friendship in many corners of the world. When you look at it from a global perspective, no nation that has received India's support will suddenly turn its back on us because of Trump's pressure tactics. If anything, this will only make the BRICS alliance stronger and give it more credibility as an alternative to Western-dominated economic groups like NATO. In fact, Trump's move could accelerate a major geopolitical shift. BRICS already has the economic weight and population size to challenge the dominance of the Western bloc, and with India playing an even more active role, that shift could happen much faster. Instead of weakening India, Trump's tariffs may end up weakening the West's own position. For India, this is not just a trade dispute, it is a test of sovereignty. Prime Minister Modi's refusal to compromise on core national interests is not stubbornness, it is strategic thinking. It sends a clear message that India will not be bullied, no matter how big or powerful the other country is. This firm stance also resonates strongly with the Indian public, because it's not about politics anymore, it's about national pride. And let's not forget the potential economic consequences for the United States. American companies have a massive presence in India's fast-growing consumer market. From technology giants to fast food chains to lifestyle brands, they earn billions here every year. If India decided to ban or even limit American products and companies, we could be talking about a $10 billion or more loss for them. This isn't just about losing customers, it's about losing influence. That space would quickly be filled by European, Asian, and homegrown Indian brands, creating long-term damage to America's market share in one of the fastest-growing economies in the world. Trump's decision could end up being a business disaster for the U.S., hurting its own companies far more than it hurts Indian exporters. We all know that Indians can have 1,000 different opinions on almost everything: politics, cricket, movies, you name it. But when it comes to defending our country's pride, history shows that we stand united. From moments of conflict to international challenges, the Indian public rallies behind the nation in ways that surprise outsiders. If the government decides to take a strong retaliatory step, people will back it. This unity is one of India's greatest strengths, and it's something Trump clearly underestimates. His move is not going to divide India, it's going to unite us even more. By targeting India, Trump is effectively pushing one of the world's largest and fastest-growing economies toward greater self-reliance and deeper partnerships with non-Western powers. It's the exact opposite of what the U.S. should want if it hopes to maintain influence in Asia. The irony is that Trump's tariffs, meant to pressure India, could actually make us stronger, more independent, and more central in a multipolar world. Modi's government is already taking steps to strengthen BRICS cooperation, explore new trade deals, and maintain ties with countries that respect India's independent stance. For the United States, this could be a strategic blunder of historic proportions, turning a tactical trade move into a trigger for global power realignment. The lesson is simple: when you try to corner India, be prepared for India to turn the tables. In the end, Trump's tariffs might not weaken us at all, they might just make us more powerful than ever.
Hope you like the video. See you with another interesting video. Bye then, signing off from BlackandBlank.